Hey guys, it's Tech, and today I am unboxing the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO, which is the CPU cooler that I will be using in my gaming computer build. This has 4 direct contact heat pipes, and basically that means that down here, 4 of them are directly getting contact to the CPU, which that gives the advantage of more cooling, and it doesn't have to transfer through as many things. It is upgradable with a second fan, apparently, and it includes a bracket so that you can do that. And it has compatibility for a wide range of fan types and PWM range, and it has the ability to mount on many CPUs. I'm using an AMD FX 6300. It will mount on many things Intel, many things AMD, and any other processor you can think of, which aren't many. So that's the back, top, side with dimensions. Go ahead and pause it. There you go, that's enough. And I guess I'm just going to tear into this thing. So, there's that. And I don't think I did that right. Regardless. There we go. Nope, didn't get it. Maybe I did. Yeah, I got it. There we go. Out of the top comes a box with thermal paste and mounting screws and their fancy back mounting plate design. Put that back in there somehow. Then we have the cooler, and careful now, there's a back plate there, or maybe front plate. Looks more like a front plate. And that's the cooler. Velocity fan, and a 4-pin CPU fan header to attach to the CPU fan control slot. As you can see, there's that direct contact design there. So if I raise this guy out, as you can see, this is a very nice looking CPU cooler. CPU cooler. By comparison, here's an old one over here. They don't really change all that much. But this one has a very narrow profile, so if you have a tight case, then you need to, say, protect the RAM or something, you have a bunch of RAM sticking up or something, this will mount on it very nicely and keep that RAM clear. Which way, that is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe. I hope to do a few more videos like this once I get all the other parts in. And I guess I will talk to you guys later.